Welcome back to The Knowing, your daily dose of market clarity and tomorrow's trading edge. Today is Tuesday, May 27th, 2025, and there's a lot to unpack. Markets were on fire today. S&P 500 gained 2.0%, closing at 5,921.54. Nasdaq Composite popped 2.5%, ending at 19,199.16. Dow Jones added 1.8%, finishing at 42,343.65. And the Russell 2000, our small-cap index, surged 2.5%, closing at 2,090.40. So, what sparked the rally? Let's take a look. Two major catalysts drove today's momentum. Tariff delay. President Trump delayed the planned 50% tariff on EU imports. That cooled down some of the global trade tensions and helped investors breathe a bit easier. Consumer confidence bounce. The Conference Board's index jumped from 85.7 in April to 98.0 in May. That's a big leap, and it signals growing optimism around the economy. Let's talk about what's on deck for tomorrow, May 28th. 10 a.m. ET, Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index for May. Earnings before market open. Dick's Sporting Goods, DKS. AutoZone, AZO. Bank of Nova Scotia, BNS. Bank of Montreal, BMO. After-market close. HEICO, HEI. OKTA, OKTA. UiPath, PATH. Box, BOX. American Eagle, AEO. So if you're watching retail, tech, or financials, there's plenty to track. Here's a key seasonal insight you should have on your radar. We've just entered what's known as the Super 6, the last 3 trading days of May and the first 3 of June. Historically, this window sees increased market inflows as institutional investors rebalance their portfolios. And today's rally? It might just be the kickoff of that trend. Summer is here, and the market doesn't always behave the same way. This season tends to bring more choppy price action. You may not see clean, extended trends like you would in the fall or winter. Instead, expect shorter moves, quick reversals, and more sideways action. For swing traders, this might be a good time to zoom in. Think shorter time frames or day setups. Staying nimble is the edge in summer. Quick options thought, not financial advice, just an observation. Major indices broke above resistance levels today, and they did it on strong volume. That suggests bullish momentum could continue. Some traders might consider long call strategies, but it's crucial to monitor key support levels in case of a reversal. Key areas to keep an eye on. Small cap strength. The Russell 2000's big day could mean a shift toward risk-on sentiment. If this continues, it may signal broader confidence. Tech follow-through. With strong gains today, tech is the sector to watch, especially with several earnings reports dropping tomorrow. As we navigate the Super 6, remember this. Volatility and opportunity often go hand in hand during this window. Institutional rebalancing can create short-term pockets of movement, so stay alert. If you're charting along with us, we use TradingView for real-time data and technical analysis. It's intuitive, fast, and reliable. Great for both beginners and pros. That's your daily dose of clarity for May 27th, 2025.